Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class already discussed the second order derivative. So exercise 5.7 problems. Okay. Exercise 5.7 already some problems done. Okay. See next question. Up to 40 questions we already discussed. See next question. Question number 50. Okay. So if y is equals to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x, show that d square y by dx square is equals to 49y. Okay na? So how to do this one? First you have to differentiate. First differentiate. So y is equals to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. Okay. Now differentiate. Okay. With respect to x. Differentiate. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx of 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. Okay na? So now differentiate. So 500 is a constant now. So e power 7x, d by dx of e power 7x is what? 7 into e power 7x. So like that you have to write. Next plus 600 constant, take it out. Okay, constant. So d by dx of e power minus 7x. E power minus x is same. Minus 7 into e power minus 7x. Very easy problem. This easy problem. Very easy problem. Okay. Again differentiate. So this is dy by dx. So don't multiply. You have to multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ so further ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Don't do the multiplication. Differentiate. Okay. With respect to x again. Okay na? Now differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. dy by dx will become what? I write here itself. Okay na? It is visible here. So d square y by dx square na. dy by dx after differentiate dy by dx, so it will becomes d square y by dx square. d square y by dx square. Okay. Next and d by dx of this one. d by dx of this one. So you can directly write also. Direct differentiate 500 same. d by dx of 7 into e power 7x. Sir, d by dx ಬರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. d by dx of 7 e power 7x what? 7 also constant. Okay. d by dx of e power 7x another 7 into e power 7x. So 7 already is there. Another multiplication. 7 is what? It will become 49. So therefore 7 is 49. So 49 e power 7x. Very easy. Next here also 600 constant, take it out. d by dx of this one minus 7 into e power minus 7x. Minus 7 into e power minus 7x. Now tell me again multiplication. Minus 7 into minus 7 it becomes plus 49. So 49 e power minus 7x. Very easy now. So why I am telling common thing multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ 49 into 49. So we will make the common. ಯಾಕೆ 49 common ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ 49 by e. That's why. Very easy now. That's is equals to. Okay. So is equals to once again. So 49 common. So therefore d square y by dx square is equals to 49 common. 49 common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ so write down these things. 500 into e power 7x. 500 into e power 7x plus 600 into e power minus 7x. 600 into e power minus 7. Okay. What is this tell me? What is this? 500. What is this tell me? 500 e power 7 600 e power minus 7x is nothing but y. Okay. y ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. So therefore part 9. So therefore d square y by dx square is equals to part 9. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ 7 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ 49. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 7 ಇಂದ 500 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, 600 ಇಂಟು -7 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. again keep it same only. 7 7 49, here multiply 7 7 40, -7 into -7 49 common thing. This is very easy. Okay, otherwise it is very difficult to. So sure they will give 5 marks for this one. Okay, this is also one of the important question for the 5 marks question. Okay, next we'll move to the next question. Question number 15 is over. Next we will move to the next question 16. Okay, see my dear students, next we will move to the next question called 16. Question number 16. If e power y into x plus 1 is equals to 1, show that d square y by dx square is equals to dy by dx whole square. So this is also one of the important question. These problems are very very important for the 5 marks questions. 5 marks question very very important. Okay na, nodi gurtitಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So how to do this one? So let us consider e power y is equals to 1. Okay, let us consider this is a question and we have to show that this one. Okay, we have to show that this one. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೇ question ಅಂತ ಬಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. So you have different methods to prove this one. different methods are there. ಇದೇ ತರನೇ UV ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಈಸಿನೇ. UV ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ e power y ez ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, 1 divided by x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now differentiate. Now I will differentiate. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate. E power y d by dx of e power y is equals to d by dx of 1 by x plus 1. Okay na? Tell me how to do this one. d by dx of e power y is e power y. y ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx. y ಯಾವಾಗನ ಬರಲಿ. ಸೊ if you getting y means you have to differentiate another time. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ y you have to differentiate another time, my dear students. If you are getting y means in any way, okay, with respect to x ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ y ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, this is a technique, this is a procedure, not technique. Okay, so now d by dx of it is in the form of u by v ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾ, f of x divided by g of x, but direct formula is there. d by dx of 1 by x, one formula is there. d by dx of 1 by x, what is the formula? minus 1 by x square. So this is the formula, minus 1 by x square. So by using this one, x illalla sir, x plus 1 idella sir. So treat this is x sir ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, but again differentiate x plus. ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ x ಬಂದ್ರೆ x ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ x ಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dx by dx again x ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, dx by x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಬರ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಲಿ, x ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ y ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ e power y into dy by dx is equals to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay na? So d by dx of x 1, d by dx of 1 0. So e power y into dy by dx is equals to like that. ಈ ತರ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ we can do some other methods also. One easiest method is there. What is that means? E power y, what is e power y? 1 divided by x plus 1. Substitute here. This substitute mada. E power y plus 1 plus x plus 1. Substitute. Okay. Substitute e power y is equals to 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay. Substitute madadre 1 divided by x plus 1 1 divided by x plus 1 into e power y. Into dy by dx. No. Into dy by dx. ನೋಡಿ e power y ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. dy by dx is equals to minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x plus 1 ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x plus 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು x plus 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಸೊ therefore what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equals to minus 1 by x plus 1. So this is the answer. So dy by dx, first one is wrong. Okay na. Now differentiate with respect to x, again with respect to x again. ಮತ್ತೆ differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dy by dx will become what? dy by dx will become d square y by dx square. So therefore d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of minus 1 by x plus 1. Minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay na. Next. Okay. Next. d square y by dx square is equals to d by dx of so d square by dx square equals to d by dx of again ನೋಡಿ minus ನೆಲ minus ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ minus. Okay, it is the form of again 1 by x ತರ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಮಾಡೋದು 1 by x. What is the formula for 1 by x? d by dx of 1 by x is what? d by dx of 1 by x is equals to minus 1 by x square, again minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square again. So into d by dx of x plus 1, ಅದು 1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಸಾರಿ ಬಂದಲ್ವಾ, minus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ 2 ಸಾರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೀದಾ, minus 1 into minus 1 whole square x plus 1 whole square. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? why you are writing sir like this? ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, so here dy by dx is equals to what? ನೋಡಿ dy by dx is equals to what? minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1. so substitute ತರ ಇದೆ, minus 1 by x plus 1 is nothing but dy by dx whole square, dy by dx whole square. So therefore d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx whole square. Easy ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So like that, in order to simplify that we made like this. Okay na? So my dear students, so this is somewhat difficult. ಒಂದು 3-4 ಕಡೆ 3-4 stages ಹೋಗಿ feeling difficulty. Okay, hard to practice more this problem. Another method is there. 2 to 3 methods are there to simplify this one. Okay, but my dear friend, this is it will be very easy understanding. That's why I brought it. Okay, another type. e power y ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ e power y 1 by x plus y, x plus 1 by x, it is in the form of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Again differentiate x plus 1. Again differentiate x plus 1 means d by dx of x 1, d by dx of 1 0, d by dx of x 1 ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ substitute e power y is equals to 1 by x plus 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, minus 1 by again differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, differentiate second time, it is in the form of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, so dy by dx whole square. Okay na? So like that you have to simplify. So my dear students, you have to learn. Okay, So like differentiation problems, these are very very important for the 5 marks question. So before going to learn these things, first every day you have to practice the formulas. Okay, so today I will another time I will tell the formulas. You have to tell yourself. Okay, every day you have to practice, every day you have to tell minimum 5 to 10 formulas. If you know formulas well, means in that time only your differentiation, solving the differentiation will be good. Otherwise it is very difficult to solve this type of problems. If differentiation is good, no. Once again, okay, so let us learn another type formulas. So d by dx of sin x, tell me, d by dx of sin x cos x, d by dx of cos x minus sin x, see badile minus sin x, d by dx of tan x, tell me, secant square x, d by dx of cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x. So d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x, d by dx of secant x tan x. Like that we have to separate again. ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. We have to learn every day. So I have to tell another time. ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿವಸನೂ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಗೆ ವಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ differentiation problems. Okay, and d by dx of e power x, d by dx of e power 2x, 2 into e power 2x, d by dx of e power 8x, 8 into e power 8x. Another concept I have to tell. What is that means? So many problems will come. See like that, d by dx of x square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 2x ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅವಾಗ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 2s are what? 6. ಸೊ 6x ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 6x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 6x to the power of 1. ಸೊ d by dx 6 ಇದೆ, 6x to the power of 3 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅಗೇನ್ 3 ಇಂದ 6 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. 6 3s are 18 into x cube will become what? ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x square. Why? Because x to the power of n formula is there. n into x to the power of n minus 1. So ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 into x cube ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, d by dx of x cube is what? 3x square. ನೋಡಿ 3 into 6 ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರ CET JEE ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫರ್ದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ವೈಡ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 3 6 18 18 6 18 same. And now tell me another formula. What is related to same? Is related like this. So d by dx of 3 into x to the power of 4 ನ 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 4 12 x cube ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ. Okay, so my dear students, like that you have to simplify and learn the formulas well also. Formulas ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು sin x cos x ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ in x to the power of n, d by dx of x to the power of n is equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ d by dx of e power x over d by dx of a power x means a power x into log a. Okay, so d by dx of a power x is d by dx of sin inverse x ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಆಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ e power x, d by dx of root x, d by dx of root x very very important, 1 by 2 root x, d by dx of 1 by x already told lastly, minus 1 by x square. d by dx of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Okay, minus 1 by x square. And d by dx of e power x is over, a power x is over, d by dx of 1 by x is over. Okay, d by dx of log x, very very important, d by dx of log x is equals to 1 by x. d by dx of log x is equals to 1 by x. Okay, so like that every day you have to practice the problem. Chain rule ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ practice ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, otherwise it will difficult. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.